Hi plums, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special video for you that I hope is very useful. How to make yourself happier. These times haven't necessarily been easy on any of us, but it's only up to us to how we take it. I know. Because they haven't been easy, it's also pretty hard to stay motivated. But at least we have to try, am I right? So today I am going to give you 9 tips on how to make yourself happier, inspired by one of my favorite motivational quote pages on Instagram, @WeTheUrban. So point number 1, do at least one nice thing for yourself every day. Whether it's taking a long bath, having a cup of tea, or a glass of wine, watching your favorite movie, eating your favorite meal. But do one nice thing for yourself every day. You do deserve to be rewarded, and you'll thank yourself later. Number 2, don't rush through life. So easy to compare ourselves with other people. And while they might be achieving some things at the same age as us, and we might be achieving others, we normally tend to compare ourselves on what others are doing instead of noticing how far we are getting. So we try to rush to get to the same places as they are, when in the end, everybody has a different timing. Number 3, stop relying on other people to make you happy. People cannot control us. We give them the power to control us. So only we have the power over ourselves. If we normally rely on people to make us happy, then unfortunately, we are so prone to being unhappy because every single time they don't exceed our expectations, well, we're gonna get sad. So the only person that can make you happy is yourself. Of course, we all have our good days and our bad days, but it's only up to you to reach your happiness. Number 4, listen to yourself. Actually listen to yourself. What is your body asking you for? What does your mind need? Sometimes you simply need to rest after a stressful day. Sometimes after a stressful day, you need to work out a little bit to burn off some steam. Try not to fall into addictions just to complete those empty voids. Falling into binge eating because you're sad or drinking because you're anxious is only gonna get rid of that feeling for a little bit until you fall back on it again. And then, well, you have to binge eat again or drink again. So actually listen to yourself to see what you need to help your body feel better. Number 5, believe that you're deserving. This is such a struggle, especially for me, because sometimes I feel that all the success that you're getting and all the praises and all the good things, you don't deserve them. Because you don't trust yourself enough. You don't trust yourself that you're capable enough to reach those points and get rewarded for it. And what's funny is that people that are a lot less deserving are the ones actually getting your dream job because they do have enough confidence in themselves. So value yourself, value your time, value your effort. Number 6, remove negative people from your circle. I don't really think there's much to say here except for remove them. Number 7, prioritize your health. As I mentioned a little bit on point number 4, they're kind of similar. Sometimes we overwork ourselves, or sometimes we underwork ourselves, or sometimes we just want to eat and eat and eat, or drink and drink and drink, or do even worse things. Prioritize you. If you value yourself, you're gonna value your health, and you're gonna seek health for yourself. So really take care of yourself. Love your body. Love your mind. Love yourself enough to take good care of you. Number 8, meditate. Okay, maybe not that kind of meditation, but any kind. It can go all the way from 1 minute up to 60. It all depends on how much you want to do. What feels good for you? I normally tend to meditate around 5 minutes a day. I try to do it almost every day. But you guys have no idea how much meditation actually changes your mood. It makes you feel just calmer. And when I say meditate, I mean to really get in it. Because a lot of the times people are like, oh my gosh, I'm so bored. When is it gonna be over? Oh my gosh, this was meditation. I feel no difference. Okay, number 1, you're not gonna feel the difference in one day. And number 2, if you are really questioning when it's gonna end, then, well, there's 2 options. Either it's too long for you, so you need to do a shorter one, or you're not focused in the meditation. You're focused on when the meditation is going to end. So really dive into meditation and you're going to see how much of a difference, of a better difference it's going to make in your life. And number 9, try to find the positive when you're surrounded with negativity. This would apply pretty much for all of us during these difficult times. But as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, and it's only up to us whether we see the glass half empty or half full. So try to see the good in every situation. And it's sometimes going to be hard and you're not always going to be able to see the good, and sometimes you're having such a bad day that it's practically impossible to see the good. Just relax. Know that rainy days don't last forever. There's a rainbow for all of us. Don't see life as a competition, because your only competition is a person you were yesterday. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment down below on what kind of video you would like to see next, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys again in 2 weeks with another motivational video on the porcelain plum.